You can easily try out SolidWorks anytime, anywhere, no installation needed. Here's your step-by-step guide to get started and make the most of your trial experience. You'll first navigate to the page my.solidworks.com/try-solidworks. To get started, you need a 3D Experience ID. Either create one here or log in if you already have one. On the Try SolidWorks tab, you press Launch and a virtual machine will be provisioned for you that you can use. The trial runs within the web browser, so it's quick to launch and get started, but the performance just as good as a full client installation. See for yourself, it's full SolidWorks Premium. Just look at this complete V8 assembly, instantly snappy with no lag or performance drags. You can work with these sample files to get a feel for the tool, or you can upload your own files through the My Files tab. You can even start from scratch and model whatever you want. Now, to really maximize this and make the most out of every minute, it helps to get some guidance. There's a lot of resources available to you, starting with the built-in tutorials. These are great to walk you through exercises step by step from beginner to basic and even advanced techniques. Outside of the built-in tutorials, there are also resources built into my.solidworks.com. Just below the button where you launch the trial, you'll find the link for an introduction to SolidWorks, which is a PDF that includes a sample project nearly 150 pages in length over 8 chapters. This guide is designed to help first-time users go from zero to confident in the core SolidWorks workflow, creating parts, combining them into assemblies, and then drafting them with drawings. Next is the SolidWorks training link, which has a curated hour-long playlist to walk you through the core workflow step by step. But this is just a small piece. You can see the entire catalog of courses by clicking here to go to the curriculum section of my.solidworks.com, which has 60 courses available to you with just your 3D Experience ID, from basics to advanced and even specialty courses like sheet metal and weldments. When your trial is finished, you're ready to make your purchase. Our web store is the easiest way to order your own license. From designandprocess.com, you click the Buy SolidWorks button on the page, and then you pick your product. For CAD, it's standard, professional, or premium. Pick your license type, perpetual, where you own it outright, or a term with more flexibility, where you own it for a year or 3 months. Finally, pick your deployment, network, or shared license, or a standalone, a single machine installation. There are many more tools available, such as structural simulation, flow simulation, and even professional level training, all available from within the web store. If you're not quite sure what's right for you, let's chat. We're happy to help you maximize your experience with SolidWorks, whether you're just dipping your toes in the water, ready to dive in, or even a seasoned pro. We're Design and Process, and we're here to help you.